Now this is where I started noticing a difference, because instead of moving randomly, it's using the pool navi technology, which is basically an adaptive path planning, and it's not just bouncing around the pool, it's actually working through it with the structure, and over time that's what leads to fewer missed areas and more complete coverage. Now the edges are usually where things get left behind, because most robots hit the wall and then turn away or pass by without really cleaning it, but this one tracks along the edges more intentionally using the edge poles, which is an AI-driven system that keeps it aligned with the pool edges instead of just bumping into them and turning away. Now the waterline is where usually the buildup shows up the most because of the oils, the sunscreen, the residue, and this actually does 2 passes along the waterline and reaches slightly above, around 5 centimeters. So instead of just touching the area once, it goes back over it and then removes the buildup more effectively. The MOVA A10 has a strong suction around 6,000 gallons per hour, powered by 3 brushless motors, but more importantly is how the power is being used, because the suction alone doesn't fix the missed areas, it's how it works together with the movement and brushing that makes a difference. Now the simple operation without the extra steps is one of the best things that I can appreciate the most, because there is not a bunch of modes to figure it out. You just drop it in, you start it, and let it do its job, and for something like this, the simplicity is usually the great benefit.